Are your SDL project application failing because of the simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To start fixing simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper, a managed C current wrapper for the SDL2 library used by developers to create cross-platform games and tools in .NET. It bridges C current code with the native SDL2 DLL. If missing, the parent application will crash immediately upon calling a graphics or input function, reporting an unable to load DLL SDL2 or an assembly mismatch error. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. If simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper library guidance. If this fix repaired simple Direct Media Layer 2 C Wrapper dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.